Hello my dear viewers, welcome to today's English class. In this video I would like to speak about the proper use of conditional sentences or if clauses in English. If clauses appear in our conversation and competitive exams, especially in SSLC, but unfortunately many students fail to answer it because of the lack of understanding it. So in this video I would like to give you an idea about the structure and the proper use of conditional sentences or if clauses. In fact, our life is conditioned by conditional clauses. We use these conditional clauses for talking about our wishes, desires, possibilities, probable conditions, impossible situations, regrets. So we have to know the structure and the formula of conditional sentences. Conditional sentences consist of two parts. First is if clause and main clause. In other words, if part and the result part. There are four types of conditional sentences. First is zero conditional. Then you have first conditional, second conditional, third conditional. All these four conditional sentences bring you an idea about certain situations and contexts. So let's discuss zero conditional. Zero conditional is used to discuss general truth, habitual action, scientific matters. Here we have a sentence. You can see the sentence. If you heat ice, it melts. So this is a scientifically proven thing. So the sentence is structured with if clause and main clause with a comma. If you heat ice, it melts. So after that if clause, you can see a comma, and you can see that main clause as well. So you can reverse the order as well. Ice melts if you heat it. So there is no comma there. Another example. If you stand in the rain, you get wet. നിങ്ങൾ മഴയത്ത് നിൽക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ തീർച്ചയായും നനയും. So if you stand in the rain, you get wet. Look at the structure. Comma is there, and you can see main clause. That conditional clause, if clause, to that result part or main clause. So here you can reverse again. You get wet if you stand in the rain, no comma. So here it is used for talking about the general truth, scientific matters, and other habitual actions. If I get sick, I go to the doctor. If I get sick, I go to the doctor. So this is again habitual action, going to doctor. So first conditional is mean that zero condition is all about general matters. So what about the first conditional? Let's look at the example. If you invite me, I will come. If you invite me, I will come. So here there is a possibility in that sentence. So this is used for talking about possible things or real future. Here first condition is used to talk about possibilities. സാധ്യതകളെ കുറിച്ച് സംസാരിക്കാനാണ് ഇത്തരത്തിലുള്ള ഫസ്റ്റ് കണ്ടീഷൻ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്. What about the formula? You can see present simple. If you invite me, I will come. Invite, that present simple, and you can see will come. Simple future or present present simple and future simple. Then you can have that V1. This is the structure. If you invite me, invite V1. Present simple. Then will come, simple future. You can see that V1. So if you invite me, I will come. Let's see another example. If you study well, you will pass the exam. Again, there is a possibility. You can have it if you do it. This is about the possibility. സാധ്യതകളെ കുറിച്ച് തന്നെയാണ് ഇവിടെ സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്. If you study well, you will pass the exam. Again, V1, you can see that future symbol, then V1. it's so easy to construct the sentence beginning with if clause, main clause for first conditional. What about the second conditional? രണ്ടാമത്തെ conditional എങ്ങനെയാണ് സംസാരിക്കുക? For example, let's say if I won the lottery, I would buy a car. It's all about an imaginary situation, unreal condition, hypothetical condition. സാധ്യത ഉണ്ടായേക്കാവുന്ന ഒരു സംഗതിയെക്കുറിച്ചാണ്. Unreal ആണ്. It's all about a wish, I would say. It's all about one's improbable situation. If I won the lottery, I would buy a car. Lottery അടിക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഞാനൊരു കാർ വാങ്ങുമെന്നുള്ള ഒരു സാധ്യതയെക്കുറിച്ചുള്ള സംസാരം. It's unreal. It's an imaginary condition. He is imagining, or the person is imagining. It's all about an imaginary condition. If I were a bird, I would fly. ഞാനൊരു പക്ഷിയായിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ പറക്കുമായിരുന്നു. It's all about a wish. ഒരു വിഷൻ പറയാൻ വേണ്ടിയും നമ്മൾ സെക്കൻഡ് കണ്ടീഷൻ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നു. ഇഫ് ഐ വേർ എ ബേർഡ്, നോട്ട് ഐ വാസ് എ ബേർഡ്, ഐ വേർ എ ബേർഡ്, ഐ വുഡ് ഫ്ലൈ ഓൾ ഓവർ ദ വേൾഡ്. ഞാൻ പക്ഷിയാണെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ എല്ലാ മേഖലകളിലേക്കും പറന്നേനെ. സോ ഇറ്റ്സ് അഗെയിൻ ഈസ് നോട്ട് എ ബേർഡ് ആൻഡ് ഹി കാൺട്ട് ഫ്ലൈ. സോ ഹി ഈസ് ആക്ച്വലി expressing his wish. So second condition is used for wishes, one's imaginary situation, hypothetical situation. If I studied well, I would pass the exam. Again, look at the structure. Studied, V1, changed to V2. If I studied well, simple past. What about the main clause? I would pass the exam. Would plus V1. If I knew her address, I would inform you. Look at the structure. If I knew her address, I would inform you. Again, simple past. Would plus V1. This is the structure of second conditional. Talking about an imaginary situation, unreal condition, improbable situation. What about the last stage, third conditional? Let's see an example. If I had studied well, I would have passed the exam. It means I didn't study and I didn't pass. It is used for talking about regret and unreal past. നടക്കാതിരുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങളെക്കുറിച്ചും ഖേദപ്രകടനം നടത്താനുമൊക്കെയാണ് ഈ ഒരു കണ്ടീഷൻ ഉപയോഗിക്കുക. If I had known her address, I would have informed her. If I had worked hard, I would have succeeded. If I had been ill, I would have consulted the doctor. So here it is all about the unreal past. It didn't happen. So this is all about an impossible construction, impossible situation. First we learned possibilities, real future. Second we have hypothetical, imaginary situation. Finally we have impossible condition. I will come if you invite me. I would come if you invited me. I would have come if you had invited me. If you invite me, I will come. If you invited me, I would come. If you had invited me, I would have come. I will marry you if you propose me. I would marry you if you propose me. I would have married you if you had proposed me. I think you have understood the construction of the sentence. For a better understanding, let me leave some more examples and learn from the examples. Thank you very much for your watching. Keep subscribing.